What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lakeview Fab. This week we've got something a little bit different for you. A customer and good friend of the shop has brought us these sled bumpers. Kind of boring. We're going to take them and turn them into something really cool for his daughter's custom sleds. So stick around and we'll show you how we're doing it. First step in a project like this is always a little bit of cardboard aided design. So what we've done here is we've taken these, cut them out, roughed out where our speed holes are. I took a picture of this, sent it to the customer just to make sure he approved of the design. Our next step is going to be to upload this into Fusion 360 and get these pieces ready to cut out on our plasma table. Now that we've got our parts cut, we're going to head over to the belt sander and clean up the outside edges. Once we're finished with that, we'll just use a little hand file and clean up the inside edges and get these ready to put on the press. All right, now that we've got our parts cut and cleaned up, we're going to head over to the air over hydraulic press and pull out our 2-inch dimple die, and we're going to sandwich all these pieces in the dimple die. The dimple die has two effects. The first thing is it'll add quite a bit of strength to these aluminum pieces, which will really strengthen up this front bumper. And they look pretty cool as well. You'll see these used on all kinds of hot rod projects and custom projects where you want a lightweight but strong material, and dimple dies are perfect for strengthening up that metal. So we're going to hit all the pieces on here and then get them ready to fit on the bumpers. All right, so here's our original bumper with the cardboard templates still on it. And here are our finished pieces, ready to be fitted and welded on. That looks a lot better. Here are the bumpers with our pieces fitted on. Everybody's tacked in place. Our last step is to weld these bad boys up. There's our finished bumpers, ready to go to powder coat. All right, guys, well, that's about it for this week's video. Thanks for tagging along as we modified these sled bumpers. It was kind of a fun project. Customer's gonna be real happy getting those on his daughter's custom sleds. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Next week, we're gonna give you a little bit of a tour of the shop, show you some of our equipment, some of the projects that we have on the go, and what the future might hold for Lakeview Fab. So thanks everybody for your support, and we'll see you here next week.